If you're selling your home, should you lower the price or offer the buyer a credit? In most cases, I would rather see the home price lower up front. Based on my experience, here's why. Buyers filter by price first. They usually decide which homes to click on based on the list price, photos, location, and basic details. Offering a seller credit is something buyers may notice in the listing description, but it doesn't necessarily increase your home's discoverability. It may also not convince buyers to schedule a showing in the same way a lower sticker price can. If your home is priced higher because you offered a credit on the front end, you may lose buyers before they ever get far enough to care about the credit at all. Seller credits can absolutely be useful though. They can help with closing costs, prepaid expenses like property taxes and insurance, repairs, or even an interest rate buy down for buyers. This is why some sellers use them as a marketing tool. But in today's market, I see buyers asking for seller credits regardless of whether they were offered up front or not. So offering a credit up front does not necessarily keep buyers from negotiating. They may still ask for a lower price, additional seller credits, repairs, or some combination of all three. A common strategy to maximize seller credits is to raise the purchase price and then give a larger credit back to the buyer. I've done that before and it can be a great idea in theory. However, in today's market, it can create a big risk when it comes to the appraisal. If we push the contracted price higher to create room for credits, the appraiser still has to justify that higher number. The credits are not factored into the appraisal. I've seen a lot more homes lately appraising for less than their contracted prices. The market softened and some homes have sold for pretty low amounts over the past year. Seller credits also have limits, and those limits depend on the buyer's loan type. For example, FHA loans can generally allow seller credits up to 6% of the sale price, while conventional, VA, and other loan types can have different limits. My advice for sellers when deciding between a lower price or advertising a seller credit is to advertise a lower price most of the time. A competitive price gets more buyers to notice the home, click on it, and actually schedule to come see it. Once you have an interested buyer, negotiate the terms once they make an offer. Reach out today to get an experienced agent in your corner.